Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. So in this video I'm going to be showing you the way to the jumps that I've been doing, as you might have seen last video, and some of the jumps and the way back. As you can see, there's quite a bit of uphill and downhill mountain biking. I hope you like the 360 camera. A little bit of downhill here. And time for some special effects. As you can see at this part, there's quite a few ruts which you have to go through, and it's quite bumpy. So we are now cycling up a gravelly hill. I found it quite easy as I have 27 plus tyres. But you might slide around a bit if you have 27s. World's steepest hill is ahead. We need speed, even though it isn't actually that big. Literally teeny, nothing. So we're going along this road for a few minutes, about a mile or two. 1, 2, 3. We go along this little bit of single track which is flat for a few minutes. So this was my first drop in and I cleared the jump. Here's the same clip from my other angle. This is the next time dropping in and you'll see what happens. As you might have seen then, I was way too far forward. You can see it clearer on the other angle if you watch my front wheel. On the angle from the front of the jump, you can see really how high I'm going. On this clip, you can see really how hard the back of the bike comes down, and if you watch my wheel, you'll see my tyre go literally flat. I'll show you this, but just a bit closer. I'm so glad I wasn't on a hardtail. Grave digger. On the way back I saw this feature called Grave Digger. And then I had some nice long downhill. Down round the gate. Seed medium. Down. Thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.